Netwrix Auditor, a visibility platform for user behavior analysis and risk mitigation in hybrid IT environments. Hi, in this quick demonstration, we'll show you how organizations just like yours use Netwrix Auditor on a daily basis to ensure the security of their critical business systems and sensitive data, and pass compliance audits with less effort and expense. Meet Rob. He's just been hired by Best Company as an IT manager. Like many IT pros, Rob has a lot on his plate. He has to handle both security and operations for his department, as well as an upcoming PCI DSS compliance audit. Tough luck. First, he wants to learn the current security status of the company's IT systems, so he runs the Risk Assessment Overview report to locate weak spots in the configuration of their critical business systems. It seems like there are a lot of shared folders accessible by everyone. What if some data in these folders is subject to PCI DSS? Will auditors be okay with that? No way. The data discovery and classification functionality can help Rob find out how many files containing sensitive PCI DSS information, if any, are stored in these shared folders. Let's watch him run the sensitive files count by source report. 1,020 files? That's a lot. Now that it's obvious that the risks related to data are high, Rob hopes that at least the server with all these sensitive files is properly secured. He quickly checks on this by running a Windows Server configuration report, an outdated OS, and an antivirus that hasn't been updated for a while. Not secure at all. The team has to harden this server immediately. Rob is about to move on to audit preparation when he suddenly gets an alert on a massive removal of data from SharePoint. The data was deleted by T. Simpson. Does Rob need to worry about it, or is it just part of a SharePoint cleanup procedure? Interactive search is a good way to quickly find out. Here's all activity performed by or related to T. Simpson. Oh, that's interesting. The account was created by J. Carter and then gradually given access permissions to the exact same data that was just removed from SharePoint. Does T. Simpson have access to any other SharePoint objects? The report on account permissions shows there are 6 in total. It looks like J. Carter was the one who gave access to them all. But who is he? Rob hasn't heard of him. Let's run another search to review J. Carter's activity. That account seems to be disabled at the moment. It was removed from privileged groups and then disabled by Doug, a senior system administrator. Doug says J. Carter is the former IT manager who was fired and that there is no employee named T. Simpson working at Best Company. This is getting more and more suspicious. What if J. Carter performed other illicit actions in any of Best Company's business systems? And here we are. He also accessed the CEO's mailbox right before Doug disabled his account. Looks like we've just successfully uncovered a security incident. Rob knows that his team will detect security incidents like this in the future much faster if they use behavior anomaly discovery, because it provides a single view of all anomalous activity alerts triggered by an individual across all audited systems, along with the cumulative risk score. With this functionality in place, Rob's team will be able to spot malicious insiders and compromised accounts even if they tread carefully. Now it's time for Rob to get back to audit preparation. While 2 members of his team are working on hardening the server with sensitive data, Rob will show the others how they can easily automate the audit preparation process with Netwrix Auditor. One of the requirements of PCI DSS is to install and maintain a firewall configuration that protects cardholder data. To satisfy this requirement, Rob's team must regularly monitor the devices in Best Company's network. The reports on network devices can be a real time saver here. Rob will subscribe himself and Doug to these reports so they get them in their inbox each morning. He'll also create an alert and attach a script he created to it so that whenever someone other than Rob makes a change to the configuration of a network device, the originating IP address will automatically be blacklisted. Showing auditors the report subscription and the custom alert with the script will demonstrate that Best Company is proactively looking for issues and is able to remediate them before it's too late. These are just some of the ways that Netwrix Auditor helps organizations like Airbus, Allianz, Maersk Broker, and King's Hawaiian establish and maintain a secure IT environment and demonstrate regulatory compliance to auditors. But there are other things that make Netwrix Auditor stand out in the marketplace. Netwrix Auditor covers the broadest variety of IT systems, including Active Directory, file servers, Exchange, Office 365, SQL Server, and network devices. Plus, Netwrix Auditor can be seamlessly integrated with your ecosystem via a RESTful API. Want to use Netwrix Auditor's security intelligence to create detailed tickets in ServiceNow ITSM or enrich the output of your SIEM? You can! Just download a ready-to-use add-on from the Netwrix Auditor add-on store. And to top it all off, you can easily get Netwrix Auditor up and running with our virtual appliance, ensuring fast time to value. Visit Netwrix.com to learn more about Netwrix Auditor and get a price quote tailored to your specific needs.